welcome back to Avi Random TV. I met the intro already, you know, but I never like all the intro is. So, yeah, so today is my niece graduation and ball as well. Dinner. Ball, whatever you want to call it. So she's going to dinner and she's going to grad. She already got graduation. It's after graduation day. So you always see the pictures and so on. All the good ones. So right now I'm going to do her ear for ball, because she wear different hairstyle and so on, and makeup, because me I do makeup. I never know since them could have wear makeup, but me see all the pin down a graduation and some right here and some makeup and so on. I forgot black out the part that's right here. In her ear and so on. So me say she can go in her ears as well. I'm not gonna put on a lash pan on it. So me say I put on one light makeup because I'm not gonna make it too much because she's still baby, she's still 11. So she's still baby. So I'm going to just have like a baby today. But I'm just going to put on one wig pan her do. But I'm going to catch it up to make it look like more natural here. If you don't understand what I mean. So I'm going to see what I do. So stay tuned. Love on the peace. Me know some of the background dirty, but the place is messy because we get ready. And then I'm in my room and then I might still say your still finish. Turn it on, yeah. You didn't You do me, I know the body's here just so it don't look so bad. Yeah. I try to figure out a butterfly. Or butterfly. So she all off to school now because she forgot to school before everybody. Turn on. Yeah. Go on, bye bye. We have to say to the people, I mean, I have to say. No, Alright, later. It's my time to get ready. Me know I'm going to hear a lot of noise. I hope this don't give me a copyright. So yeah, I say me just have to go stick my head back way so because I can't bother for cane right small. I put on a glue on my head now. And I put on something up on my head either. No. So I can't bother with all of that this morning. I mean, I'm not sure if I find him either. So as on the ear, so like flat and mash up. You know, say camera is not okay. This me use a flat iron, I want to calm my flat iron mash up. And my sister have one there too, and it mash up just the same because you know, say mash up, a flat iron I love mash up from the card, you know, they look at the inside part, they say, they mash up, you know, but yeah, it's flatted. It's flatted a little. So when we finish, I'll come back to you. Now if me show you before and after, so this side is flat and this side is flat. So if you see the difference. Yeah, so this side flat, this side flat, this don't flat, so you all see the difference. So I'm going to do it. So it's makeup time. I have to show you so I don't want YouTube to think I'm going to have on a clothes. So it's makeup time. Yeah. Even though I'm a little best to say makeup still on my face, I try my best to clean it out because I go out last night. So yeah, makeup still up on me. So yeah. When I reach to do my makeup and get back to her. Primer. Face primer. So yeah. No, I see them because coming up on the landing. Well, these are my brows. They are not the best because my traffic of fast as I can come late. So foundation now. Foundation is on. But it ain't appeal from the machine you use, remember? So conceal, contour, like I'm really eating my eyebrows, like this need to fix, like when I already put Ace by If I don't know how fast I do my makeup, like, so you go. But it's not look so bad, you know. I'm gonna try to fix it up, but yeah. I want the contour dry little, the concealer dry little, so give me face this look here. So yeah. So conceal. So we're going to now contour now and blend in the contour, the conceal. So stay tuned. So the contour finished, everything else finished. Alright. It's not perfect because as I say I'm doing my makeup on ear, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put on the setting powder and then the lip and then my eye. And then I'm done. So when I'm done all of them, get back to me because I cannot show all the time because I'm late. But foundation and contouring I put on so bad. Lash time now. Lash the lip gloss and then get done. They may not need a this. My eyebrow no need and they may not need like my foundation and everything else is on fleek. Damn. I'm like got cutie. Yes, so I'm gonna put on my lash them and then my clothes and then we get back to the camera. I show no mom and jewelry and everything. Stay tuned because I'm late. So I finished ready and I put on too much lip gloss to my lip. My lip is too short. This is what I'm wearing. So yeah, I'm wearing my birthday shoes and my birthday dress. I'm really planned for it for my birthday. So yeah. I'm a sweat. Like my really sweat. So I get my full ear back here. I'm not carrying a purse. I don't like purse, but I didn't get to get the purse that I want. So yeah. I'm waiting on a bus because it's just right down there. So it's like 3 minutes drive or 2 minutes drive to where. So yeah. Cause the school they're near to where we live as well.
To my after-school teacher, Miss Williams of One Step Ahead Tutoring Service, I say thank you for always keeping me one step ahead and for your encouraging words. To my fellow graduates, we come to the end of one glorious chapter of our lives, and a new one will begin. New adventures, new friendships, and new series of struggles. But with the things we have learned from the Dean Glassford Primary School, let us continue to step boldly toward the fulfillment of our dreams and aspirations. Along the way, we may meet a lot of trials, but our burning desire to reach our goals will keep us from straying or giving up.
I am a champion. You hear me roar. Oh, 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 oh. Graduate too. She in a graduation, she's graduating too.
Put your hands together for all 26 of them.
Go on, go get it.
You're going to ask them to stand.
No, Gary, baby, no.
Stand.
If you have a flat shoes on the car for you.
We can't walk in and not eat money. We put them in prayer.
You're going to walk through the aisle and down to the door of the service.
I'm not going to back on me.
So, graduates of the same Dean Glassford Primary School. I thank you all for being here, gracing us with your presence. Without you, this graduation ceremony would have been
Wait, no, Tisha, where you go?
thank those who were here from the beginning
Kesani.
until the very end. You have done well to be a wonderful
Come,
audience.
Kishan.
Thank you very much for being here.
I am Mr. Watley. I'm the Trinity officer, as I always call him. I am so proud to see you, God.
So, did it. going down because she have got to take off back them yeah. After all the money we pay for this. And then I forget it. My sweet things like she get it, you know. But yeah, should I see? I'm so proud of her. So the vlog no end. We never do not much. You know, just go see a little piece because me never do no whole heap of video. Tell you the truth, we never do a lot. But she's going dinner later, so you will see her when she got dinner. So she will get you some all of them something there and pretty up and all of them things. So we're back from the graduation. So we take some pictures and so on. So you will see the pictures and the little bit of video. Because we don't do a lot. We did it. So big up on yourself. Peace, love, you know. Thanks for watching. It's time for her makeup. So I do her brows. Just I barely do it because I don't want it to look too much. So yeah. Nice people in the background. So she done already and now going out to graduation ball. Come in. Walk now. Start your face. Sir. Show off your face. Yeah. Turn around. Yeah. Look how me look shabby. We are bringing her to the school and yeah. The mom's girl. Turn around and sing. Yeah, come out of the road. Yeah, turn around, let me see your face good. Good. Yes. Aww. So cute. But a model for me. You need to model for me. Come in, turn on a model for me. Yes, European, yeah. Doctor, what smile? You're so beautiful.
Oh, you look nice too, from far. And white too.
You're looking so cute. So now, what's nice? Runs in the blood though. Why Jesus? Turn on, give me a last spin, Mom. Yeah.
You're not even realize I push your cash, you idiot, you see? And she not ashamed of that. She not so pretty though. Why should I never tell her that? You runs in the family though. But the country we're born in and so yeah. So why are you there, sir? Come on, friend.
Miliku Dali.
All of them look so nice. The kids them come out. The kids them come out. The mother them set them well good.
Dali, hello. The black Dali. Why should not look for me? The sunny. Miliku Dali. Yes, Dali. Hey. After dinner now, we're going back home. Watch my makeup and crack up. We are good one on Avishan, yeah. Yeah, we look shabby but she after the dinner. So she's sweet. Damn girl, how we do that, you know? We create that.
Me create that.
We create it because she also come from me too. We create, hey. Well, we are go home now though. I think about the hill for walk, go back and just stress me.